I have $0, no audience, no fancy camera, but I'm still building a YouTube business from scratch. Will it work or will I fail? Most people quit YouTube before they even make money, but I refuse to be one of it. If you are broke, struggling, or starting from nothing, this video is for you. Let's be real. YouTube isn't a get-rich quick scheme. Most people post 10 videos, get no views, and quit. They think YouTube is too hard, too competitive, or only for lucky people. But the truth, anyone can make it here on YouTube if you play the game right. So how do you make money with $0? I'm about to break it down step by step. Step 1. Pick a high CPM niche. Most small YouTubers start by vlogging. Huge mistake. If you want to make money, you need a profitable niche like finance, business, or YouTube growth. Make videos without spending $1. You don't need a camera. Your phone is good enough. Editing, use free softwares like Canva or Filmora. Thumbnails, use CapCut for free. Step 3. Get views fast without relying on the algorithm. I'm not waiting for YouTube to push my videos. I will do it myself. And here's my strategy. Posting on TikTok, Facebook groups, WhatsApp to bring in traffic fast. That is how you grow when you have $0. I'm not a millionaire yet. I'm just a beginner figuring this out like you. But I know one thing. If I give up, I will never succeed. I want you to see if my plan actually works. So I'll be documenting my entire journey. My failures, my mistakes, my wins. But the question is, will I succeed or crash and burn? I refuse to be another person who gives up. If you refuse to be another person who gives up too, comment an "in" below. Subscribe now if you want to see this journey unfold and if I actually make money. Until we meet again, goodbye.